Welcome, here I've got WIKO Y60 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we tap to this button we get access to more settings about the camera we can manage, and one of this is the watermark option, so by just one tap we can turn it on, another tap to turn it off as we need. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take the picture to see the watermark at it. Now let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our photo with the watermark in the right corner at the bottom. So this is how it looks like, the WIKO. And of course when we don't need it we have to go back to the camera to the right corner and tap to this button to turn it off. Now when we take another picture the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.